SEO lovers, my name is Kate Toon and I'm the head chef here at the Recipe for SEO Success. And today I'm just going to give you a quick tip on how to change the permalinks in your WordPress settings. Now, for those of you that don't know, permalinks is just another name for permanent links to your posts and pages. And the default when you have your own self-hosted WordPress site isn't particularly SEO friendly. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to change them and what makes for a more Google friendly URL. Having an SEO friendly URL is just one of the many factors that can have an impact on your ability to rank in search engines such as Google. So as I mentioned in the intro there, by default, WordPress permalinks are not particularly SEO friendly. So when you install WordPress for the first time and start producing content, you need to change the default. It's pretty much one of the first things you should do. You can find your permalink settings in the WordPress dashboard under settings and permalink. So just go down here, permalinks, here we go, and you'll be taken to a page like this. And there's a few options that you can choose from here. My favorite and suggested permalink structure for a WordPress blog is post name, so this one here. And it keeps it short and sweet. It doesn't include categories or tags or anything like that. It's just straightforward, the URL, and then whatever the name of the post is. So that's the one that I would select. And then once you've selected that, you can just go down and press save. Now, many bloggers and site owners will use category in a permalink, which is also fine, but only when your category name is short and meaningful and you're not using multiple categories and posts. I'm not a big fan of using category in a permalink structure because depending on how you've set your indexing settings up, it could cause some duplicate content issues on your site. Another permalink method, which I'm not a fan of, is using dates in your permalink. This takes away your capability for republishing your posts at a later date because the permalink will remain the same when you republish your post. Some other tips when it comes to permalinks are to use dashes. So you see here we've got a little dash between the words rather than underscores. I would also recommend removing stop words from permalinks such as is or are. It's not something you have to worry about too much, but if I have a post that's about how to make piglet jumpers, I might have how to make piglet jumpers, or I might just have piglet jumpers because that's a bit shorter and sweeter. So that's a call that you can make depending on the content that you're using. Now, you should never change your permalinks after publishing. Now, I don't recommend changing your permalinks after publishing, so don't go around randomly changing those URLs. If you do, you're going to have to set a 301 redirect up. So you can get a plugin such as Simple 301 Redirects and redirect that old URL to the new one. But if at all possible, don't change your permalink after you've published it. So that's it. That's how to change your permalink settings under settings and permalinks and choose post name. And that will make your URLs just that little bit more Google friendly. Thanks for watching.